वेलकम टू माय चैनल ट्रैवल विद क्लियांड्रा। स्मृति वन भुज एक्सप्लोर करने के बाद मैं आई हूँ जूनागढ़ ऊपरकोट फोर्ट। इट इज दिस फोर्ट विच गिव्स द सिटी नेम जूना ओल्ड घर फोर्ट। इट इज बेसिकली 2300 years old fort. If you're fascinated with history and if you want to know what places to visit at Junagadh, so this video is made specially for you. Stay tuned till the end of this video. ये फोर्ट के अंदर गुफाएं भी है. It's believed to have been built in the 3rd century by the Mauryan Empire Chandragupta. It has been besieged 16 times and legend has it that it once withstood 12 years siege. Over the years, the fort started changing hands. First, the Mauryan Empire, then the Chudasama Empire came. Then finally, in the 16th century, the Mughal Empire came and took over the fort. So, चलिए शुरू करते हैं। जूनागढ़ बस स्टैंड के इधर ही मैंने एक होटल रूम में चेक इन किया था। वहाँ से ऊपरकोट फोर्ट बहुत नज़दीक था, अराउंड 2 to 3 किलोमीटर्स। ऑटो रिक्शा का भाड़ा 40 रुपीज़ था। एंट्री टिकट का प्राइस 100 रुपीज़ है, बट इफ़ यू आर फ्रॉम जूनागढ़ देन इट इज़ 50 रुपीज़। फटाफट मैंने ये मैप का फ़ोटो लिया एंड आई एंटर्ड। Just to your left hand side as you enter, there is a Lashkari Wow, also called as a stepwell. Stepwells in Gujarat stand as the epitome of India's architectural supremacy today. But once upon a time, they were a smart way in which the locals used to conserve water in an otherwise barren land. Owing to the scorching heat and high temperatures in the state of Gujarat, it is necessary to make conservation units that will keep water from evaporating quickly. Because these stepwells were so important for the livelihood of people, the kings paid keen attention to make them stand out and look spectacular. Isn't that absolutely fascinating? That's my expectation versus reality moment. ये तोरण गेट है, विच मीन्स डेकोरेटिव आर्कवे और गेटवे इन संस्कृत। फोर्ट तो काफ़ी बड़ा है, तो आप ये सोचिए आ जाओ कि आपका आधा दिन तो यही निकलने वाला है एक्सप्लोर करने में। My travel partner is tired. How much I made him walk, climb steps. Cycling का option भी है, so there are basically cycle paths where you can take the cycle and ride on. These two cannons are named Neelam and Manik. They were brought by the Turks who sailed to Saurashtra to aid in defending Diu against the Portuguese. हर तरफ साइन बोर्ड्स है, so it becomes easy to know where the places are. पैलेस को 15th सेंचुरी में कंस्ट्रक्ट किया गया था। इट इज़ बिलीव टू हैव बीन कन्वर्टेड फ्रॉम अ हिंदू और जैन टेम्पल और एन एग्जिस्टिंग पैलेस। इट इज़ नाउ रिकग्नाइज्ड एज रानक देवी महल, attributed to the legendary queen Ranak Devi. The mahal features 140 pillars and a unique 3-octagonal opening roof. फोटो फ्रेम्स जो लगे हैं वो क्लियरली दिखाते हैं कि फोर्ट कैसे दिखता था पुराना ड्यूरिंग द प्रोसेस एंड अभी नया कैसे बनाया गया है। that's Girnar Hills, and there is this Jain temple that you see in white, and the top, the right in the top is the Ambaji temple, and because of these two mountains the ropeway is hidden. So there is a ropeway that takes you to the top of that hill. There are two stories associated with this step well. It is said that when this water reservoir was constructed in the beginning, there was not even a single drop of water in the well. The royal priest advised the king to sacrifice two young maidens, Adi and Kadi, and after this was done, water was found. I'm underground and I don't know how many feet down. The second one goes like this. Adi and Kadi are two royal maids who used to frequently fetch water from this step well, and hence the name Adi and Kadi. People who come to visit Adi Kadi Vav leave bangles and feminine clothes on the nearby tree as an offering to Adi and Kadi. The Anaj Bandar served as a vital repositionary for grains, strategically positioned within the fort to ensure a sustainable source of food during times of siege or scarcity. These monastic caves are carved out of rock. Imagine the dedication and the skill of a Buddhist monk armed with primitive instruments and carving and cutting his way down into the mountain, creating a piece of wonder in the process. वीडियो के एंड तक रुकने के लिए थैंक यू एंड आई होप यू लाइक्ड दिस वीडियो. इफ यू आर न्यू टू माई चैनल, डू सब्सक्राइब. Until then, keep traveling with me, Cleandra.